Rick Bayless with A Healthier Home. This air handler is up in the attic, and in the attic is vented outside. Well, there's air from the attic, heat and humidity, fiberglass dust, all sorts of outdoor dusts are in this space, construction dusts. And here's the air filter that's alongside this furnace. On the door panel, and slide out the MERV 11 filter. Alright, that's a reasonably good grade filter to catch dusts that pass through the air duct system that come from this, let me see, they come in here. That's the return side that's pulling air from that duct from the return grill in the room downstairs, and that air is being pulled by this fan to go through the furnace to get some warmth, or through the cooling coil to get some cool, and then go back up to the supply duct to the rooms. Well, unfortunately, we're also pulling air from this dusty, humid, sometimes hot attic space. Air is going right in. Where's it getting in? Well, I put my flashlight down inside there, and I put the door back on here. And, well, by golly, look at all the light coming through the side of the door from the light from my flashlight inside the unit, and the light from underneath here from my flashlight inside the duct system, and along here from inside the duct system. I shouldn't be seeing light from here. Shouldn't this be airtight? Because otherwise I'm pulling attic air into the duct system through all these gaps whenever that fan comes on. So that fan is not just pulling air from the rooms through the ductwork, it's pulling air from the attic, around, and ultimately from outside, from around this air leaky filter door. What an easy fix. The least you could do is, at least when this door is in place, at least put some tape between here and here to air seal this between your filter changes to reduce the leaks. That's the stuff why people start fighting humidity troubles in the house, dust troubles in the house, mold troubles in the house. You gotta fix stuff like this. Rick Bayless with A Healthier Home, when it's your health that matters most.